Hello, welcome. Let us look at mean, median, mode, and range of data values. The question says the number of points scored by a basketball team in first 7 games are listed below: 15, 22, 18, 15, 12, 30, 15. Calculate the mean, median, mode, and range for the points. Given, the points scored by the team in 7 games are 15, 22, 18, 15, 12, 30, and 15. First, let us arrange these points in ascending order. That means we start from the small to big. The first one is going to be 12, followed by 15, again 15, again 15, then 18, 22, and the last one is 30. Second, let us find mean. Mean is given by total points over their number, that is 12 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 18 plus 22 plus 30 divided by 7. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number equal to 7. Let me add these points. This is equal to 127 divided by 7. This gives us 18.1. So mean is equal to 18.1. Third, let us find median. Median, this is a middle value. So let us find the middle value to our arranged data in ascending order. The data are 12, 15, 15, 18, 22, and 30. I forgot 115 here. So median is a middle value. So let us find what is the median. This and this, that and that, this and this. So the median value is 15. Median is equal to 15. Fourth, let's look for mode. Mode is the number that repeated most. Our data are 12, 15, 15, 15, 18, 22, and 30. The number that is repeated mostly is 15. You can see that it is repeatedly 1, 2, 3 times. So mode is equal to 15. Mode is equal to 15. Fifth, let us find the range. The range is given by biggest number minus smallest number. So our arranged data are 12, 15, 15, 15, 18, 22, and 30. The smallest points that the team got is 12, and the highest point that the team got is 30. So range is equal to the highest point, which is 30, take away the lowest points, 12. We get range is equal to 18. So mean, median, mode, and range for the point that the team scored are: mean is equal to 18.1, median is equal to 15, mode is equal to 15, and range is equal to 18. I hope you understand. For more video on statistics, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.